In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best websites for international remote jobs. So whether you're from United States, Canada, Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, Botswana, South Africa, any country in Africa or Asia or North America, and you're looking for remote jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best websites where you can get remote job opportunities. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching all the way till the end. I've done all the research for you guys, so just sit back, relax, because your girl has always got you covered. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you, I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, hey, those websites that you're not even thinking about. Yes, so come with me, guys. Let's go. Oh yes, to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you guys, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you for me. So guys, you will agree with me that remote jobs actually provide better work-life balance. Yes, remote jobs often come with flexible schedules, and they enable employees to choose the work timings to complete the designated work. Yes. Number two is there is no commute. These are some of the great advantages of working remotely. So no commuting hassles. Yes, commuting to the office and back can actually take an average of 2 hours per day, which actually adds up to your working hours. In addition, commuting stress causes health issues like high cholesterol and elevated blood sugar levels. Yes, remote jobs actually provide flexible work location. Yes, candidates can actually search for jobs outside their places of residence in metropolitan areas, as geographical locations do not limit remote jobs. It actually enables a broader range of job opportunities, especially for those in rural areas. Now, another reason why you should look for remote jobs are very important is because it's economical. Yes, gas, car maintenance, parking fees, lunches can all be eliminated from your spending. And this makes working remotely high cost savings. Yes, so high cost saving. Yeah. Oh, and one more thing, comfortable office. Yes, you're comfortable. When you work remotely, you can set up your workspace the way you want and have a positive environment with your family, and this makes making work from home much more productive. Yes, so let's just go right over to it. Now, the first company I'm going to be introducing you guys to is Remotive. Yes, so guys, head over to remotive.com because it is becoming popular day by day, gaining traction from candidates seeking telecommuting work. So apart from being a great site to browse job postings, it also has a diverse community and resources like tools, manifestos, and guides to help candidates educate themselves and find the perfect opportunity. Now, another company that I'm going to be introducing you guys is Dice. Yes, so head over to dice.com. So guys, Dice is an excellent platform for tech professionals to connect with remote tech opportunities from top companies. Guess what? You can showcase your resume and skills for employers to find you alongside searching for opportunities through job postings. You can use the filters, yes, because they are available to allow you select your job category, your preferred location. You can actually search through keywords or company names. They also provide valuable resources like extensive research on companies, top locations, best occupations, and desired skills. This way you can actually educate and update yourself about the world of technology. Yes, so another company I'm going to be introducing you guys to is Well Found. Yes, so as evidence from their targeted tagline, it is a hub for job seekers and recruiters to connect with. It was actually formerly known as Angel List. So you can locate specific positions at startups and tech firms, and your profile should actually serve as your cover letter replacement. So from an applicant's perspective, Well Found provides you with the facility to apply for service in any part of the world, in any domain of your choice, be it engineering, sales, finance, data analytics, marketing, or even marketing roles. Yes, so what are you guys waiting for? Now go head over to the website and begin to apply for your job, for your desired job today. So the next website is nodesk.com. Yeah, so Nodesk is a specialized remote job search site that targets digital nomads and remote employees looking for opportunities that don't depend on their geographical location. In contrast to conventional job forums, it only advertises remote employment, guaranteeing a more relevant and focused job search experience. Another company I'm going to be introducing you guys to is Remote Leaf. Yes, so go to remoteleaf.com. So remoteleaf.com is a remote job searching platform with a unique approach to helping job seekers find the perfect remote opportunities. Unlike traditional job boards, Remote Leaf actually aggregates remote job listings exclusively from company career pages, which means that job seekers can actually discover hidden remote job openings that might not be advertised elsewhere. Yeah, so guys, what are you waiting for? I told you I have done all the homework for you. Head over to this website and find your desired job. Start to apply for them from this day. You can actually find jobs, from the comfort of your home, work from home, and skip the hassles of commuting, the hassles of stress. And like I said, commuting every day can actually lead to high cholesterol. Yes, it can make you develop high cholesterol and some other health issues. So yes, I have done all the homework for you. Head over to these websites and begin to apply for these amazing opportunities as quickly as possible. Your girl has always got you covered. In case you missed my other videos, check out my previous videos and begin to apply for these amazing job opportunities. Like I said, in some of my so I shot some videos where I shared ways by which you can actually get money from rich people, yes, for free, and websites where the rich actually give you money. And I also shared some websites where you can actually get money as a business owner, or if you have a plan to start a business, you can actually get money for free. Yes, so make sure that you check out my other videos. I've always got you covered. So check out my other videos and begin to apply for these amazing opportunities. Yes, and like I always say on this channel, money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. Yes, so yes, and so just in case you have any questions for me on this channel, note that there are no stupid questions. Feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. I'm working for you guys day and night. It's your girl Mariah. On this channel, we share all things money. It's a money making channel. I'm your money mogul, and on this channel I share with you resources that help you become a better version of yourself. And I hope with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually get remote job opportunities of your dreams and start to make money from the comfort of your home. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments in case you have not. Let me know where you are watching from. Yes, what is your name and what part of the world are you watching from, and how did you find my videos? Yes, if this video has blessed you, know how we do it. Make sure that you join the family. Like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and of course guys, I will see you in my next video. In my next video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys amazing mind-blowing opportunities where you can make money that you're not even thinking, that no one is talking about and no one is willing to share with you guys. But on this channel I'm gonna be spilling all the tea. So guys, let me leave you for the last time on this channel on this video. I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. I love you. Mwah.